We have renovated 15 bathrooms.
Together as a couple, I've built a couple of hundred, but yes, we've done a lot.
Well, what's trending in the bathroom space right now? 100% render is trending in the bathroom, and a pop of colour with tiles. Curves are on trend.
Definitely curves. The design brief for this house is modern Mediterranean. Lots of soft concretes, colours, soft textures. The curves, the colour palette, everything has to flow in together, so it's very specific. The original layout didn't look anything like the way that we needed it. We had one toilet that was in the right spot, everything else had to be redone. So there's a lot of pre-planning.
Best part about Highgrove is you can jump on their website and use their 3D planner and design your own bathroom. So I think that's absolutely fantastic. When you're someone like myself who has the vision in my head and need to put it down, I can go on, pinch all my products across, and then Aaron gets to understand exactly what the design brief is.
The 3D planner definitely helped us with making decisions, especially when it comes to those statement pieces like those central vanities that go on the walls. The walls on the back are cream, so you're going, okay, something curved, something white, that stands out. Okay, I can see that. And then you're going through the selection of tapware, how does that sit? Does it need to be brushed nickel, chrome, what works best?
Being able to swap everything over and be like, okay, so do we want flat, matte, colour, gloss? Absolutely fantastic.
The best thing for me is not only I get a translator for that, which is perfect, but also you go, okay, now I've got my complete shopping list.
Create your list, then in store, they have it ready to go for you. It saves you a lot of time. And I find it saves you a lot of money as well. Definitely the 3D planner is the way to go moving forward. I love Highgrove. I mean, we've done 15 bathrooms, so that's saying something. I love the range. I love how it's very affordable luxury. The functionality of the products, the wide variety, color palettes, they're on trend. They're always evolving. We've gone from square texture to rounded off edges. The product is fantastic.
Whether you're a novice, hasn't done any renovating before, go in, have a chat with the team. They know everything in and out about the product. Building professionals, they love dealing with Highgrove because it's such an easy place. It's a one-stop shop. It just makes it an absolute no-brainer.